Let me show you what to do if you are having charging problems with your iPhone 16 and 16 Pro as well as Pro Max. So, for example, if you insert your charger cable inside the phone, if it doesn't charge at all, or maybe incredibly slowly, or maybe the cable actually can't even properly get inserted in the phone, so it's very loose and also disconnects if you touch the cable a bit. So the most common cause of all these issues is you simply have something stuck inside your charging port, most likely a lint from your pockets. So every time basically you place your phone in a pocket, if you have a bunch of lint basically in your pocket, bunch of dust, debris, so that stuff can essentially end up in your charging port, and especially as you are plugging in your cable every day, essentially you even manage to probably stuff it in even further, and again eventually it becomes so bad that you can't even properly insert your charger fully. So yeah, we can easily clean this, but for this you'll need few basic tools such as maybe toothbrush, like a dust blower, and the smallest needle you can get, so like a sewing needle. So something like this is absolutely great, so as small as you can get, because we actually do not have that much space inside the port. So also let me draw you quickly how it actually looks inside and how we are going to clean it. For example, this is our Type-C port over here. In the middle you have connecting strip, and on this strip you have tiny connectors that actually pass through the data and the charging, basically as you plug in your cable. So we obviously do not want to damage those, and to clean it, so we are going to take our needle and simply go along the edges in a scooping motion and try to fish out any junk and debris you might have in your port. So again, on the bottom and on the top. Again, avoid touching the middle strip. So also, for example, you can take even a flashlight and visually inspect what's actually happening in your port. So, and let's take our needle. Also, obviously make sure to hold your phone like this while you are doing it, so all the stuff, junk falls out. But just for video I'm showing like this. Let me turn on the light. So you see, I'll take my needle here, insert in this port here, and simply go along the bottom edge and in a scooping motion get all the stuff out. Again, also on the top. Okay, so insert all the way in, move it and scoop out all the junk. Then also, for example, you can take like a blower or any other way how to blow inside, and literally just blow inside to force all the junk to come out basically. So we first want to dislodge it with a needle and then blow it out. Also, toothbrush also can be very helpful, so you can actually insert inside, brush it out, and again it will dislodge all the junk inside. And this is what a completely clean port should look like. So you see, this is for example what it looks like over here. And after that, if everything is clean, you can also verify that it's okay by simply taking your cable and inserting in your phone. So you see, it actually provides a very good hold now. So you see, you can even dangle it around, so it has quite a lot of hold, basically grab from the cable. So if it doesn't hold very well, then yeah, basically check if it's still maybe a bit dirty, or also check the condition of your cable as well. Obviously, another thing that can cause this is if you have basically worn down cables that maybe is half broken. So obviously change also that if you suspect it's broken. So also maybe literally just try another cable first before you're changing cable. But yeah, in most cases, I would say for 99% of people, taking a needle, cleaning it out, blowing it out will do the job. Okay, good luck.